Love. Okay. Shout out Jigga. Congratulations for not saying to you. What's y'all Kanye to the I'm full of that good, for that good. Yeah, I did. Look, say pussy motherfucker won't talk this shit. Pussy motherfucker, you will get snuck quick. Been in this game, bad son of a bitch. I throw a gun name, bitch, I bury your click. Man, look here, I been off the chain. Bit insane, in the brain. More than look, you think these soldiers look it is gonna unchain? No, I'm not. Play around with me, homie, I'm grabbing my Glock. Send me automatic, let that bitch ring out non-stop. That Glock 18. You know what I mean? I got that little Earl man to go on the scene. Nigga, look here, dog, I'm popping shots into my motherfucking clip. If you know me, I got more shots than 50. And if you play with me, you catching more shots than 50. I'm all about a dollar, fuck 50 cents, bitch. If it don't make dollars, then it don't make sense, bitch. Been in this game and you fuck around with me, your head out rinse, bitch. With number blood, like a tree to leave your hood of flood, full of blood. You will be laying dog in a pool of blood. You want to swim? Come in that water. Bitch, I go hard like my name Carter. If you want beef, then your ass get slaughtered. Like my name was Sergeant Slaughter. Y'all niggas don't know shit about me. Y'all niggas can't do shit with me. Y'all niggas know you can't get me. If you play around, you gon' feel 50 shots. Coming out of the clip, no, I don't claim blood, no, I don't claim crib. Bitch, you fuck around me, man, your ass get blood. Bitch, swing through your hood, bitch, swing in depth, and I post up liquor on the scene. Man, look here, I'm on my green. Man, look here, I'm ball hard like my name was down me, but I'm not from Houston. I'm from New Orleans, ballin' like I'm ballin', ballin' like I'm Spartan. If you want beef, bitch, I'm ballin' like Jordan. 22, bitch, I'm ballin' straight over you. And I'm going straight off this freestyle shit, and I'm going off the dome. I'm coming on strong, and I'm smoking on strong. If you want beef, then I'm sending you home. Then your ass fucking gone. Fuck them niggas off in Paris, fuck Nolan, dog. And I say, fuck Harris, who don't like me. They could fight me. They just mad cause I got the girlfriend's Nike. You hear me? Yeah. Freestyle shit. Freestyle shit. Freestyle shit. Let's get paid. Ho. Let's get some pay. Also, hard motherfuckers can't find me. Real niggas behind me.